Hello guys, my name is Osidon Store. You can call me also in Jemakwadi. Just like to me called me there are things I wanted to tell you like when your child is still growing from the day one. This is what you have to start doing with your child, understand? So if you see that your child have a problematic with another person, like your child have problem with another child, so don't ever try to support your child. Try to know the root of the matter. Try to solve the matter from the root. You know whether your child is at fault. If your child is at fault, you caution him or her not to be doing such thing again. But if the other person is at fault, try to understand. Tell the child, this you are doing is not okay. Understand? Don't do such thing again. Don't do this again. So the child also will understand, learn from you. If the parents are around, try to tell them this is what the child do that you don't like. Then they will try to caution the child, and you should do adamant in cautioning the child, but don't go violently. Don't do valetica, because if you are trying to beat the child or try to harm the child anyhow, the parents may not understand, leave you, they will fight you, and it's going to be like you are not trying to advise the child, they are trying to bully the child. They will change it from advising to bully. So you will know the difference now. Bully, because you are advising the child with the beatings or try to understand harm the child, they will not figure it again as advising is just bullying. You are a child bullier, so that is what they are going to clarify. So that is number one. So the number two things is that when your child is growing up, if the child is crying, try to figure out what makes the child to cry. Understand? Your child, like if your child is crying, you have to figure out if the child is crying because maybe there is something paining him, so you have to figure out if the child is crying because of hunger, you have to know, or thirsty of water. So you have to figure out what makes your child to cry. Don't just say this child always cry and start beating the child. That is not a part of training. That is not the way to train a child. So you have to understand, figure out what is going on the contention before you know the next action. So that is number two. Don't stop doing that. So number three thing I'm going to tell you that when the child reaches like to go to school, try to figure out the kind of school that your child wanted to, or you wanted to put your child. So don't ever put your child in any house school. If you know, try to ask question about the school, how the authorities are. Make sure that the child is in the secure school, like the school has authority, has security, good authority. Like if somebody do something that is not good, they are going to understand, discipline such person, and they take the action. They will the boot on the horn, not just any house school. But if you get money, I will advise you to put your child in a private school. Government school is okay, fine. Not everybody must go to private school, but government school is also okay. But you should figure out the kind of government school. If the government school around you is not okay, you can take the child to the nearby side or another local government for the child to be schooling there. Not a more that the child will be schooling near you. But make sure that to provide the child with the maximum security. So, and if you have a driver, the driver will be going to to carry the child, or if you are the one that goes to take care of the child, okay, fine. If the school usually closes at 1 o'clock, or 1 p.m., you should be there around 12:30 to 12:40, waiting for the child. Make sure that you are around there 12:30 to 12:40, like 20 to 30 minutes away from the closure time. So that is that. So my name is Osidon Store. You can come also in Jimakwadi, just like Chukemeko Odmegu. So there are other things that you should do to understand, take care of your child. And there is another thing. If you know that you are a person that leave your child for another person to be taking care of your child, you should be very careful. I did not say that you should not allow your child to be staying with another person, but you have to be very careful about it, because some people, once they see that their child or the children are not theirs, they will not take it lightly with them. So you have to be monitoring your child if the child is staying with another person, and they try to inspire people, not just a person, because somebody, if it is a person, the person may not understand, figure out everything, or the person may tell the other one this is this, or